to AS Motors Zone. Today, I am bringing you a detailed look at a unique and powerful Toyota motorhome concept that combines luxury, adventure, and modern design in one long and muscular vehicle. This Toyota 6x6 motorhome features a pearl white and gloss black two-tone exterior, black tinted windows, bold body patterns, and strong off-road tires. It is designed for travelers who want to explore highways, deserts, forests, and jungle roads while still enjoying comfort inside a premium mobile home. From the first glance, this Toyota motorhome looks confident and stylish. The front design is wide and modern, with the original Toyota emblem placed proudly on the grille. The LED headlights are sharp and clean, giving the motorhome a futuristic yet realistic appearance. The body is long and fully enclosed, clearly shaped like a true motorhome and not like an SUV or pickup truck. The muscular structure and smooth curves work together to give it a strong road presence. The pearl white and gloss black color combination adds elegance and power at the same time. Pearl white gives a clean and premium feel, while gloss black adds contrast and depth. The reflective surface of the body captures the surrounding lights and environment, especially when the motorhome is parked in a luxury USA showroom. From every angle, the motorhome looks cinematic and professional. This is my own concept style, and motorhomes like this may become reality in future. Now let's move inside and explore the interior. The driver cabin is modern and comfortable. The dashboard is equipped with digital displays and a clean layout. The steering wheel carries the Toyota emblem and feels sporty and premium. The driver's seat is positioned high, giving a clear and wide view of the road ahead. The black tinted windshield reduces glare from sunlight and creates a calm driving environment during the day. Behind the driver cabin, the living space begins. The interior is designed to be small, narrow, and practical, like a real motorhome. It is not wide like a house, but it uses space in a smart way. On one side, there is a single luxury sofa with a small table. On the opposite side, there is a compact kitchen with cabinets and a counter. A narrow walkway runs between them, making the layout realistic and efficient. The sofa area is meant for relaxing after a long drive. A person can sit comfortably, enjoy the view through the tinted window, or use the small table for meals or light work. The materials are soft and modern, giving the space a luxury feel. Warm interior lighting adds comfort and creates a peaceful atmosphere. The kitchen is small but fully functional. It includes a countertop, storage cabinets, and space for basic cooking needs. Everything is neatly arranged, so the area never feels crowded. The design is clean and modern, matching the premium theme of the motorhome. This kitchen is perfect for preparing simple meals during long trips through forests, deserts, or along highways. Next, let's talk about the sleeping area. This motorhome does not have a big bedroom. Instead, it has a small and comfortable bed designed for rest during travel. The bed is placed in a way that saves space while still providing comfort. It is ideal for short breaks or overnight stays. Soft lighting and smooth wall panels make the bed area feel calm and quiet. There is also a small and compact toilet inside this motorhome. It is designed to be simple, clean, and space-efficient. Even though it is small, it looks modern and practical for daily use. This feature makes the motorhome more independent and suitable for long journeys where facilities may not always be available. The interior materials focus on luxury and simplicity. The walls, ceiling, and floor use smooth textures and modern colors. Everything looks clean and premium. The black tinted windows and windshield give the motorhome a unified and modern look from front to back. The bold patterns on the body add character and uniqueness. The pearl white and gloss black colors make the motorhome look professional and luxurious. This Toyota motorhome is designed for people who love long road trips and outdoor adventures. It is for those who want to travel far, stop in beautiful locations, and still enjoy comfort inside their vehicle. It is suitable for forest trips, jungle routes, desert travel, and peaceful highway journeys. This motorhome represents a new way of thinking about travel. It is not just a vehicle, it is a lifestyle. It is a moving home that allows people to explore the world while staying comfortable and relaxed. Every detail of this motorhome focuses on balance. Balance between size and beauty. Balance between adventure and comfort. Balance between strong exterior and luxury interior. It is not too complex and not too simple. It feels just right for modern travel needs. The driver cabin feels confident and modern. The lounge feels relaxing. The kitchen feels practical. The bed feels comfortable. The toilet feels compact and useful. Together, these parts make the motorhome complete. This concept motorhome shows how design and function can work together. It shows how a long 6x6 body can be transformed into a luxury camper van. It shows how off-road capability can be combined with premium styling. It shows how adventure and comfort can exist in the same vehicle. At the end of the day, this motorhome is about the journey. It is about seeing new places, enjoying nature, and traveling in style. It is about having your own moving home that can take you across highways, forests, jungles, and deserts. This is my own concept style, and motorhomes like this may become reality in future. Thank you for watching this detailed tour of this Toyota 6x6 luxury motorhome concept. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to AS Motors Zone for more unique motorhome and vehicle concept videos. I will see you in the next one.